Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is Saturday. No, it's Monday. Sadly, it's Monday, March 25th. When I woke up this morning, I was 62.5 kilos on the scale. No loss, no gain since yesterday, which is actually quite surprising regardless. If you're looking at the numbers and the day I had yesterday, let's take a look at the numbers. In terms of total calories, we're talking about 2,465 calories, 137 grams of protein. And I absolutely walked nothing, 0 steps. I stayed indoors. I stayed the whole day indoors. It was magical. It was amazing. I didn't go to the gym, obviously. I didn't do any kind of stretches, any kind of exercise, nothing. Yesterday it was nap, and it was a long day of working, seated, nothing else than just work in front of a computer. So let's take a look at the meals. It was a good thing I meal prepped because it was, woof. Anyways, I broke my fast very early. I was hungry in the morning, so 8:15 a.m. I had my shake. I had a little bit of muesli because I wanted something sweet, so I had about 10 grams of muesli. And then I had my salad that was pre-prepped, and it was delicious. I added some crackers and cheese from it at the end of it, and a square of chocolate. But then I had a snack. I can't even remember exactly how much I had yesterday, but I filmed everything. I had yogurt and jam and pistachios. That was gorgeous. And then I had my last meal, which was the prawns, shrimps, courgette, and basmati rice. I didn't have any soup before that. I didn't have any cheese because I had my cheese already and I wasn't really in the mood for cheese anymore. I had muesli for dessert, as in like a big 79-gram portion with 4 squares of chocolate. And yeah, overall I just napped and had food, and yeah, and I didn't even have to meal prep yesterday because I had a meal prep for 4 days for the weekend. So today I'm gonna meal prep on Monday for Tuesday to Friday, so another 4 days, the last 4 days of meal prep. So yeah, honestly, I'm not going to keep you too long because I don't really have much to say apart from the fact that I really rested. I slept a very long night last night, so I think my body just felt like doing nothing, just resting. Now be very careful. If I do this again today, for sure tomorrow I will see an increase on the scale, for sure. Don't go think that this is my basal metabolic rate. No, not at all. 2,465 calories if I walk 0 steps, and if I only sleep all day and not train, that is not going to end up in a maintenance. It's going to end up in a weight gain, and I know it. Honestly, I was surprised when I saw 62.5 kilos, but I think at the end of the day, it doesn't mean anything. Today is Monday. I'm going to walk to the gym. I'm going to have a great leg workout because there is a new machine. It's a hack squat with no padding on the shoulders. There's no shoulder, nothing. So it's just the seat. It is going to be very fun, and it's going to spice up a little bit my last few like days of this week. But I'll tell you about this tomorrow. In the meantime, have a wonderful day. I will see you tomorrow for today's feedback. Bye.